ba si Congressman Puno was insinuating that you
Yes.
may not be mentally fit.
Well, first of all, si Congressman Puno hindi siya isang doktor or any form of medical professional. So, he has no basis of saying that. And secondly, siguro crazy talaga ang lalaban kay Romualdez nung panahon na yon last week. Kasi siya yung pinakamalakas na tao sa buong Pilipinas noon. Siya at si Marcos. Silang dalawa yung may control ng buong budget, lahat ng mga issues ay galing sa kanila. Like sila yung pinaka-mastermind ng lahat ng masamang nangyari nung flood control. And going against them, parang it's political suicide. And it's just not just political suicide, it's also personal suicide. Kasi baka mamaya patiin nila ako or ipakulong nila ako. There's only a crazy person could do such a thing, and only a crazy person could think of such a thing. But sometimes it takes crazy people to change corrupt systems.
Pasensya ka na, Congressman Barzaga. So can you categorically state ano ba talaga ang, the state of your mental health, if you can say so?
Well, I have not been diagnosed of anything. Kasi ang mangyayari dyan is, kung sakaling may nakikita na may problema sa pag-iisip mo, edi pupunta ka sa psychiatrist, they will diagnose you and then they will prescribe pills. But I have not really been diagnosed of anything. All forms of neurological tests I have passed.
So hindi totoo yung sinasabi nila sa'yo, ni Congressman Puno and the others who are questioning your mental fitness.
The burden of proof lies with them. Kung sila yung magsasabi na baliw ako o may problema sa utak ko or I'm mentally unwell, then they are the ones who have to prove it. I'm not the one who has to prove that I am normal.